Good morning, students. So yesterday we have started about the second chapter, that is structure of atom. But today one student asked me to do the units and measurement part of the first chapter. Actually, I thought you can do it, but no problem. I will do it. The units and measurement. I think already you have got in physics. That's why I have not done this part, units and measurement. I have started from mole concept. So today I will do the units and measurement topic from the first chapter, basic concept of chemistry. So to do this, first time you should know what are units. As you know, units are some parameters which are used to express the physical quantity. If you want to buy some substance, suppose you want to buy potato, if you want to buy potato, then you have to say 1 kg potato, 2 kg potato, like that. That kg represent the unit. I mean, units are some terms which represent the physical quantity of a substance. Now, there are two types of units. Some units are called basic unit and some units are called derived units. There are two types of unit. Some units are called basic unit and some units are called derived units. What are the difference between basic unit and derived unit? The units which are obtained directly, they are called basic unit. For example, the unit of mass, directly you can write kg. The unit of time, directly you can write second. The unit of length, directly you can write meter. This type of units which are obtained directly, that type of units are called basic unit. But what are derived units? Derived units are those units which are obtained by multiplying or by dividing the basic units. For example, suppose unit of area. You know area, how to determine? Length into breadth. What is the unit of length? Meter. What is the unit of breadth? Meter. Ultimately, we will get the unit meter square. For example, volume. How to determine the volume? Length into breadth into height. So, length unit meter, breadth unit meter, height you can write meter. Ultimately, we will get meter cube. So, this type of units which are obtained by multiplying or by dividing the basic units. As you know, meter is the basic unit. You multiply meter into meter, the resultant will be meter square. Similarly, for volume, you multiply meter into meter into meter, you will get meter cube. So, this type of unit which are obtained by multiplying or dividing the basic unit, this type of units are called derived unit. So, unit of area is one example of derived unit. Unit of volume is one example of derived unit. Again, you know density. What is density? Density means mass by volume. What is the unit of mass? Kg. What is the unit of volume? Meter cube. Ultimately, you can write kg per meter cube. So, this unit also you have got by dividing the basic units. That's why this unit of density is also one example of derived units. So, there are two types of units. Some are called basic units, some are called derived unit. Those units which are obtained directly, this type of units are called basic unit, and those units which are obtained by multiplying or by dividing the basic unit, this type of units are called derived units. Now, to express this unit, there are different types of scales. Already you have got. One is called CGS scale, one is called SI unit. So, different types of scales are used to measure the units. So, mainly you should know about the CGS and SI unit, because when you do the numerical, if some units are given in CGS, some units are given in SI, then your numerical will be wrong. If you do the numerical in CGS unit, all the values you have to put in CGS unit. Similarly, if you put one value in SI unit, then the other values also you have to put in SI unit. So like this way you should you have to do the numericals. So that is why you should know about both the CGS unit and SI unit. Do you know what is the full form of SI? SI means it is called System of International Unit. I mean all over the world, this is one of the international unit. All over the world these units are used. So mainly the SI units are important. Now there are 7 basic SI units which are very important. 7 basic SI units. What are the 7 basic SI units? This is physical quantity. This is name of unit, and this column is for symbol of unit. So like this I will make one table. Physical quantity, length. What is the name of the unit? The SI unit of length is meter. This is one of the basic SI unit of the quantity length. So there is one CGS unit also. If you use centimeter, then that is called CGS unit of length. So centimeter is the CGS unit, meter is the SI unit. These are all SI, huh? And the symbol of the unit is small m. Meter is represented by small m. Similarly, time. The unit of time is second. It is represented by the symbol small s. In CGS also, time unit is considered as second. I mean both in SI and CGS, the unit of time considered as second. Then mass. The mass unit is kilogram. This is the SI unit and its symbol is represented by kg, capital K, small z. Kg is the unit of kilogram. But if you want to write the CGS unit of mass, that is only gram. So that CGS unit of mass is gram, SI unit of mass is kilogram. That is why in some questions, suppose the mass is given in gram. If you want to convert in SI, then the gram you have to convert in kilogram by dividing by 1000. Then amount of substance. Amount of substance, the unit is mole, M-O-L-E, and the symbol is represented by MOL. Don't write the E in symbol. Then electric current, this is another quantity. Electric current, its unit is ampere. Its symbol is AMP, ampere. Then luminous intensity. Luminous intensity, its unit is candela and its symbol is capital C, small d. And the last one, 7 number, that is temperature. Its unit is Kelvin and its symbol is K. Temperature unit also you know, degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is another unit to represent the temperature, but Kelvin is the SI unit. So these 7 units, meter, second, kilogram, mole, ampere, candela, Kelvin, these 7 units are called basic SI unit. And from these 7 basic SI unit, you can represent, you can find out all the derived units, SI derived units. So length unit is meter, time unit is second, mass unit is kilogram, amount of substance mole, temperature Kelvin, electric current ampere, luminous intensity candela. These 7 units are called 7 basic SI unit. You should learn about this. In exam the question will ask what is the SI unit of temperature and what is the symbol of it. Then you have to write the answer. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin and its symbol is K. So like this way you have to write the answer. Thank you.